like canoeing. The boats are cool.
What?
The boats are cool.
Aren't they?
Yeah. Waterboard. What do they call that? Is that?
Oh, I forget what those are called.
There it is. Here's the beach we just came out of. What's the name of this beach?
Onset.
Onset Beach?
Yep.
There it is, Onset Beach. We're saying goodbye.
We are.
Goodbye for now. Nice beach, by the way. I enjoyed it. All the locals were cool. No problems. Everything was really nice.
What'd you think, Christina?
I thought it was really good, actually. I don't